Welcome back, Crammers, to question 21. A mathematics teacher at a school asked a group of students how far in kilometers each student had traveled to get to school that day. The table gives information about their answers. The table calculated that an estimate for the mean distance traveled by the whole group of students is 4.25 kilometers. Work out the value of x. Now, when given a table like this, we simply take the middle value. So 0 to 2, the middle is 1. 2 to 4, that's 3. 4 to 6, that's 5. 6 to 8, that's 7. And 8 to 10, that's 9. Now, if we're able to multiply this by the number of students, we can then get the total. And we know that the mean is equal to total divided by quantity. So 1 times x is simply x. Now we add 3 times 11, that's 33. Then we add 5 times 8, which is 40. Then we add 7 times 6, which is 56. And 9 times 5, which is 45. That means 160 plus x is our total. Then we have to divide that by the total amount of students. So here, 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 11 plus x, because we still don't know what x is. Then we multiply this by the mean in order to get the total. So we multiply this by 4.25. And we can actually simplify this. 160 plus x is equal to 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 11. We have 30. So is equal to 30 plus x into 4.25. And we can simplify this further. 160 plus x is equal to 30 times 4.25, which is 127.5 plus 4.25x. We can bring x to the other side and 127.5 to the other side. So we get 160 minus 127.5 is equal to 4.25x minus 1x. So that gives us 160 minus our answer is 32.5. 32.5. 4.25 minus 1 is simply 3.25x. We divide both sides by 3.25 to find x. 3.25. Therefore, if we use our calculator once again, we can find our final answer. 32.5 divided by 3.25 gives us 10. That means 10 students walk the distance of 0 to 1 to 2 kilometers. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.